Ever wondered how places shape our journeys? Welcome to Class Bites. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of tourism geography, exploring the deep connection between travel and the places we explore. In the grand tapestry of human experience, geography is the thread that weaves everything together. And nowhere is this more apparent than in the story of travel. The study of this intricate connection is known as tourism geography, a special branch of human geography, dedicated to understanding the journey and its profound impact on the places we visit. At its heart, this field recognizes a simple truth. Tourism is fundamentally geographical. It is an activity born of places, involving movement between them and resulting in a dynamic dance where landscapes, people, and even our own identities are shaped and reshaped. It is a subfield that delves into the spatial dimensions of our wanderlust, exploring how territory, landscape, and human behavior converge and interact within the context of travel. To truly understand tourism, one must first understand the stage upon which it is set. Tourism geography centers its inquiry on how the physical and cultural features of our world mold the very nature of our travels. It begins with the most practical of considerations, location and accessibility. The ease with which a traveler can reach a destination is a powerful force, often determining whether a place becomes a bustling hub or remains a hidden gem. The physical geography of a region acts as a powerful magnet, its mountains calling to climbers, its rivers beckoning kayakers, and its sandy beaches promising serene afternoons. These natural features are not merely backdrops. They are active participants, attracting specific kinds of activities and people. Climate, too, plays the role of a silent director, conducting the rhythm of the seasons and influencing the peak times when visitors arrive to bask in the sun or marvel at the snow. Beyond the natural world, the cultural geography of a place gives it a unique voice. The vibrant energy of a local festival, the quiet reverence of a heritage site, or the enduring traditions of a community are the elements that transform a location into a truly distinct destination. The entire phenomenon of tourism can be envisioned as a grand, interconnected system, a journey with a clear beginning, middle, and end. Much of the literature on managing tourism views it through this lens, identifying the places where travelers originate, the destinations they seek, and the intricate web of connections that binds the two. This geographical system is composed of three essential elements. First is the traveler generating region, which represents the home front, the market from which the desire to travel springs forth. It is the place of origin, where the dream of a journey is born. The second element is the transit route region, the pathway that bridges the familiar with the unknown. This is more than just a measure of distance. It is the experience of the journey itself, the time spent in motion filled with anticipation as one moves from their starting point toward their goal. Finally, there is the tourist destination region, the place visited where the traveler's motivations and expectations meet the reality of the location. This three-part structure helps to map out the flow of people, ideas, and commerce that defines the global tourism landscape. The study of tourism geography, however, goes far deeper than simply mapping routes. It involves a careful analysis of the patterns of human movement, the shifting tides of consumer demand, and, most critically, the effects that the influx of visitors has on local territories and cultures. It grapples with the complex challenges of planning and the political dimensions of developing a place for tourism, always with an eye toward environmental sustainability. The areas of geographical interest are vast, including the varying scales of tourism's impact, the spatial distribution of tourist activities, and the creation of models to understand how tourism development unfolds. The physical geography provides the essential canvas upon which these tourism places are created, But it also presents a constant reminder of the fragility of these environments. The environmental impacts and concerns are major issues that must be considered in the careful management and development of any destination, ensuring that the very beauty that draws people in is preserved for generations to come. In more recent times, the thinking within human geography has evolved, bringing fresh perspectives to the study of travel. Approaches from cultural geography, for instance, have encouraged a more theoretically diverse view. This includes a sociology of tourism, which seeks to understand travel not as an isolated, exceptional activity, but as something deeply woven into the fabric of our everyday lives. It considers how a journey fits into the broader context of a person's life, and challenges the notion that tourism is merely a consumptive act. A traveler does not simply consume a place by taking photographs and buying souvenirs. Instead, a powerful, reciprocal relationship is formed. The journey changes the traveler, and in turn, the presence of travelers helps to produce and reinforce the unique sense of place at a destination, solidifying its identity and story in the collective imagination of the world. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment with your thoughts or what you'd like to see next.